kind of doing a separate review of holes in the walls. You got, you know, like a lot of this, screws everywhere. If you want these all removed, then they're gonna have a lot of holes. And then of course there are holes like here. Just, there's screws all over the place that kind of, you know, there's a lot of holes that are gonna be in these walls that are already there. And with all the nails, holes, there are a lot of them. I'm thinking if you want a great result, we should first patch all these holes. I mean, here, look at all this. I mean, really all this needs fixed, you know, and then sanded and then primed. So that restores that wall. And you can see the wall in here really needs a good priming for sure, but and cleaning. There's a lot of cobwebs too. But even over here, a whole bunch more, whole line of screw stuff here, whole line of them. There's a lot. I'm not sure that we're ready to prime yet without fixing all these holes. So, yeah. All right, we're gonna start pulling out nails and look at holes and stuff. Clean the nails, holes up as we go as well. Pull all the nails out first, and then what we'll do is use the paddle to kind of smooth those holes out as we go. Okay. Kind of getting that all prepped and ready. All right, so we're gonna patch this stuff up with the Easy Sand 5 patching compound, 5-minute working time. So we got 2 cups of the compound using my measuring cup, and then we need 1.25 cups of water. And we got to move quick on this. We'll have a lot of time to do it. Got to mix it up quick. And give it to that good, smooth consistency we want. And we're ready to work. And the reason I'm using this today is because we are kind of in a hurry to get started with painting. And when I came to examine the walls, I seen all those nails and holes. I said, this isn't, you know, I can't paint with this. Especially if we're going to be priming here, we might as well get the walls fixed. Right on time for the primer. Once they're all fixed up. Alright, so basically we're just going to smooth that out. I didn't choose to use a drill or any of that because it may be faster but a lot messier. I feel like making more of a mess, so we're just going to use our little mixing spoon here like we're making some batter, cookie batter or something like that, cookie dough, cake batter or something like that. Basically the same idea here. least get that first one in, because it's about to all dry now. This stuff dried up real quick. Maybe I didn't need to add in that extra. All right, so we got all the repairs here. Showed a couple more I did over here. And then to kind of, since we got a little light here, we might be able to get a better idea of if you remember the original. Now look how smooth that is. So that really turned out good, quick. Oh, and I see a crack down here. I kind of feel that too. And there's that whole row of holes. So, looks good. Got all that fixed up real nice. Now we'll just sand it down and then go ahead and prime all this up. All right, now we're doing the sanding in here. The big holes that were here before. Now let's see how we did here. Yeah, that's nice and smooth. Remember all them big ass holes over there? Now we prime that over, it'll be perfect. All right, so that's that on that. All the patchwork's done on all the walls. Wherever I seen holes, we filled them. Looks much better now. Now, once you prime them, that'll all be covered up. You won't even know there was ever a hole there. So yeah, a lot of patchwork that was done here though. All right. Yeah, we did a lot of patches in here. Fixed all the holes in the wood too. So all around different places where nail holes have been in here. Got all those. Like where they, yeah, all those are been filled in. Everything is now ready for priming at this time. There was a little bit in here too. Okay, that's it. Patchwork is done and complete. All right, so did a clean up in here. Get everything prepped and ready. Make sure all the cobwebs are off the walls, ceiling. All right, cleaned all the debris up that was laying around everywhere. Kind of got everything prepped and ready. Got all my supplies over there ready. One thing is I gotta to repair this yet. That's coming up. Got that prepped. All right, so everything's ready in here. Cleaned up here, cleaned up in here. Got all that ready to go. So we're all ready and prepped, ready to paint. Cleaned up. All right, this is all ready for prep paint. Got this cleaned up. This is all ready and prepped for paint. We're going to prime first. Okay, priming will be next.